Okay guys, let's talk about the do's and don'ts on how to take care of your balloon. Okay, so as you can see, our balloons are highly sensitive when it comes to direct heat from sunlight. So you need to avoid the sunlight. When you're doing parties as much as possible, you need to do balloon twisting indoors. But if ever your event are outdoors, you need to find a place which is shady or not exposed from sunlight. For example, under the tree or something, uh, a shade there with a roof covering some sunlight during afternoon. So you need to stay there just to make sure your balloons will gonna perform it well while doing some twist and turn. Because if you do balloon twisting in the middle of sunlight, you're exposed there, I'm sure your balloons will gonna pop every after time. Okay, so hope you understand that you need to take care of your balloons. And of course, the main technique to avoid popping some balloons while doing balloon twisting, of course, you need to buy fresh from the oven balloons. Meaning to say, you need to buy the new ones. You need to avoid buying some old balloons, old stock balloons. Okay, how to detect which is old one or the new one, or the old stock and the new stock. Let me show you hints or ideas to detect which are the newly manufactured balloon and the old stock balloons. Okay, so here we go. So as you can see, this is a good example of old stock balloon. So what they look like is they are kinda sticking to each other. See, it's like they are not so fresh. I'm gonna teach you how to detect which are the old stock and the new stock, so that in the coming future, when you buy it, of course, you're not gonna go wrong. Of course, you're not supposedly buy the old ones. Of course, for me as a professional, you should buy the fresh from the oven. If I'm not mistaken, metaphorically, it means fresh, newly manufactured from the factory. So here's the good example of fresh or new stock of balloons. So they are fragrantly attractive. It has a good odor. And here's the old one. So you shouldn't buy this. They are sticking to each other. When you inflate this, they are surely gonna pop. So you need to avoid this kind of balloons. Okay? So that's it. Extra careful when buying some balloons.